everyone, this is Mohammad Yunus, your chemistry teacher. Today we will discuss about cracking of petroleum. This topic is taken from Fundamental Concepts of Organic Compound, second year chemistry, chapter number 7. What is this cracking of petroleum? Actually, this is breaking down of higher hydrocarbon into lower hydrocarbon called cracking. Lower hydrocarbon have low boiling point, higher hydrocarbons have high boiling point. So the purpose is to crack, it is to break down the higher hydrocarbon into lower hydrocarbon. That is called cracking of petroleum. Like this is higher hydrocarbon, heat it at 700 temperature, we will get lower hydrocarbon, that is C7H16, and some unsaturated hydrocarbon as well, ethene and propane. This is cracking of petroleum. Actually, we need this cracking method, cracking of petroleum, because the requirement gasoline obtained from natural source is not enough of today's need. So some more sources are produced by this method, cracking of petroleum. Lower hydrocarbons means gasoline, it is obtained by breaking down of hydrocarbon. So today's need is fulfilled, it is satisfied by cracking method. Different methods of cracking of petroleum is: number 1, thermal cracking. Hydrocarbons can be break down into lower. It is also by catalytic cracking. And cracking can also be made by steam cracking. So 3 methods are from which higher hydrocarbon can be break into lower hydrocarbon. First one is thermal cracking. Thermal cracking means breaking down of hydrocarbon on heating. Therm means this word is from heat, temperature. Thermal cracking means के molecules, hydrocarbons are cracked on heating. So if we crack high hydrocarbon at high temperature, let's say above mentioned chemical reactions, higher alkane C16H34, if we heat at 700 temperature, then it will convert into C7H16 and already describe unsaturated hydrocarbon. This is on heating. So this is a type of thermal cracking, because higher hydrocarbons are break down into lower on heating. So this is first method from which hydrocarbons are cracked into lower hydrocarbon. Another important advantage of this process is we can also get unsaturated hydrocarbon like ethene or propane, etc. Purpose of actual method of cracking, actual purpose of cracking is to obtain lower hydrocarbon. Beside this, we can also obtain unsaturated hydrocarbon from thermal cracking. Second method is catalytic cracking, from which we can also break higher hydrocarbon into lower hydrocarbon. As name indicated, catalytic cracking, that breaking of hydrocarbon at lower temperature and low pressure, but in presence of catalyst. That is catalytic cracking. Second one is catalytic cracking, breaking down of hydrocarbon at low temperature this time, because catalyst is there, so we need comparatively low temperature, 500 temperature and 2 atm pressure, and in presence of catalyst, that is catalytic cracking. Means catalyst is required. Temperature and catalyst, students, both have same purpose. They are used to activate the molecule, energy of activation, to increase the energy of activation of molecules. So if temperature is used, molecules get excited, and rather than temperature, if we use catalyst and low temperature we use, then molecule also break. They will get excited and they will crack, they will break down. So the second method is cracking of petroleum is by catalytic cracking. So normally catalysts used in this purpose, they are aluminum, they may be silica, aluminum, which are used for this purpose. They are typical catalytic, the methods, the catalysts which are used for this purpose. Students, third one method is breaking down of hydrocarbon is by steam cracking. As name indicated, that hydrocarbons, they are break down by passing through the steam, through the vapors. So the vapors of hydrocarbon, large hydrocarbon, they are mixed into the steam. In this purpose 900 temperature is required this time, but once high temperature is required, then rapidly these are cooled and the substance, the hydrocarbon, they will break down into lower hydrocarbon. So all these methods which are described above, thermal cracking, catalytic and steam cracking, they are used to break down higher hydrocarbon into lower hydrocarbon to obtain some more source of gasoline. The gasoline which we have collected earlier, it is not of up to mark of today's need. So there is method to adopt some more source, and this method is cracking of petroleum. And at the end, advantages of this process. First one is to get lower hydrocarbon, and the second and most important advantage of this process is to obtain unsaturated hydrocarbon, which are used as starting material in so many different purposes, as a starting material in synthetic industries, plastics, or any other methods we can apply these unsaturated hydrocarbon. So they can also be prepared from this cracking purpose. Thank you very much.